Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope I find you well. Guys, I've been receiving messages, people asking me how to say happy birthday in Shona. But guys, listen, before I tell you how to say it, you have to know and understand that in the Shona society, we don't say happy birthday in Shona. And out of almost 3 decades that I've been in Zimbabwe, trust me when I say that no one has ever said happy birthday to me in Shona. The real truth is that you don't have to try to impress people with something that they don't do. Trying to impress Shona people with something that they don't say. So if you want to say happy birthday to a Shona person, just say it as it is in English. Just say, oh, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Or if you want to add some Shona to it, you can say happy birthday Shamwari, which means happy birthday my friend. So you might be asking yourself, why is it that there is no actual Shona word or phrase for happy birthday? It's because back then, birthdays were never part of the Shona culture. Back in the days, it's something that came because of the whites. So birthdays were never part of the Shona culture. It's not just a matter of birthdays. Even if you look at things like the Easter holidays, back then it wasn't part of the Shona culture. If you look at Christmas, it was never part of the Shona culture back then. So what happens is that if something was never part of the Shona culture back in the days, you won't find a phrase for it. It's extremely difficult to find a phrase for that. So there's no Shona phrase for Happy Easter. There's no Shona phrase for Merry Christmas. So the same thing applies to birthdays. We don't say happy birthday in Shona. We use English to say happy birthday. And we sing the normal happy birthday song, the English song.